How to send photos in TikTok message. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can send photos in TikTok message. For this, make sure you're using the latest version of the TikTok app. To update your application, you can head over to Play Store and then search for TikTok. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now, simply open the TikTok app. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, tap on Inbox. Tap on the username that you want to send a message. Now, you want to tap on this image icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the Photos option and all the photos in your galleries will be shown. Simply go ahead and select whichever photo you want to send in your TikTok message. You can also select multiple photos in this way. Now tap on the Send option. Remember that to be able to send message in TikTok, you have to follow each other. If you haven't followed each other, you won't be able to send a message or share photos. So make sure that you follow each other first, then follow these steps to send photos and TikTok message. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.